Welcome to the online session of Power Plant Engineering. My name is Vishal Acharya. Today we will discuss about the ash handling system and type of ash handling system and fly ash collector or electric precipitator. First, ash handling system. A huge quantity of the ash is produced in a sanitation. Sometimes as much as 10 to 50% of total quantity of coal burned in a day. Means the 100 megawatt power plant require 1000 ton of coal. Means our getting the ash we have a 10 to 20% means the 100 to 200 ton of ash. Therefore, 100 of ton of ash may be have to be handled every day in a large power plant. And handling of ash includes its removal from the furnace. Second, loading on the conveyor and delivered to the field or dump in sump from where it can be disposed of. Here, good requirement of the ash handling system should have a first large quantity ash should be removed at very high rate, means our transfer capacity is very high. 100 ton per hour, 50 ton per hour is basically requirement. Load the ash collected on the conveyor system. Easy load means the hot air or a hot ash below to the conveyor belt easily load to the conveyor ash collected on the conveyor system. Deliver the ash from the conveyor to the ash storage means the coal transfer to the bunker to the ash storage. Disposal of the storage equipment should be corrosion and wear resistant. Plants should be noiseless. Equipment should be able to handle the clinker, dust, etc. very smoothly. The capital investment, operating and maintenance cost should be very low. Each type of the characteristic is required for the good ash handling system. Here we have discussed the type of the ash handling system. First is the mechanical ash handling system, second is the hydraulic handling system, and third is the pneumatic ash handling system. First we have discussed about the mechanical ash handling system. In a mechanical ash handling system, ash is collected from the bottom of the boiler to the transfer to the conveyor belt with the sump. Here water sump is required because of the hot ash is converted into the cold ash with the help of the water, and then ash is transferred to the ash bunker by the help of the conveyor belt here, and then ash bunker to the ash transferred to the ash storage yard with the help of truck. Here we use the screw conveyor first and second ash silo transferred to the here, then this line is transferred to bucket conveyor. Bucket conveyor is to transfer to the one silo point, and one silo point is transferred to the truck. This type of mechanical ash handling system requirement. The advantage of the mechanical ash handling system, it is a very low power consumption and continuous ash removal is main advantage. Here disadvantage of the mechanical ash handling system, here it is suitable for coal fire and low capacity plant only. The maximum capacity of this system is limited to 5 ton per hours. The lifespan of this system is only 5 to 10 years. And second system is the hydraulic ash handling system. In hydraulic ash handling system, two types of the ash handling system: low velocity hydraulic ash handling system and high velocity air handling system. First, we will discuss the low velocity air handling system. Here, air is collected from the boiler and then transferred to the air sump with the help of the low velocity water. Here, the water velocity is minimum 3 to 4 meter per second and transferred to the air sump. In a air sump, water and air is separated with the help of plastic and then air is transferred to the air storage yard. Second is the high velocity hydraulic gas handling system. In a high velocity hydraulic gas handling system, here air is collected from the stoker and water jet in above side and the also side inside. Here the call or air is from the stoker is cooled down with the help of the water spray and then transferred to the air sump. Here separate the air and the water and then air is transferred to the air or the storage. The advantages of the hydraulic air handling system here. The air handling capacity is very high. It is very clean and dust-free operation. Gas can be discharged at a distance of up to 1 kilometers. It can be also handle the molten ash. There are no working part in the contact with the ash. Here disadvantage of the hydraulic system here the abrasive ash from the corrosive acids in contact with the water. The material must be resisting material. Also here advantage is when we use the water for the transfer side also recover and again transfer the water. Pneumatic gas handling system. In a pneumatic gas handling system, here air is collected and here crusher first is converted to the very small particle. Here air is supply and carrying over the cyclone collector. In a cyclone collector, ash and air is separated and also dust particle is removal with the help of the cyclone separator and ash is supplied to the bottom and to the ash hopper and the air is transferred to the atmosphere with the help of the filter. In shown figure here, compressed air transfer here. First, compressor used for the air compression, compressed air transfers to the boiler. Here, ash particle collect from the hopper here and transfer with the compressed air. Here, air is supplied and final to the burner. Advantage of the pneumatic ash handling system here: dust free operation, no re-handling trouble, dry ash handling eliminates chances of the ash freezing, sticking in the storage bin, less installation cost per ton of the ash handle. The disadvantage of the pneumatic ash handling system is noisily very in operation, high maintenance due to the wearing of pipeline by the ash, and also compression cost. Here we have used the mechanical dust collector for the industrial purpose. Here the main principle is the gravity of the any gravity weight of any material. Here gas is part transfer. Here some divergent portion, so velocity of the gas is reduced and the heavier particle is collect from the bottom. Same here, change the direction, so here velocity is reduced, heavier particle is collect from the bottom. Here we use the bobtails and then here reduce the velocity of gas and collect the heavy particle from the bottom. This is the basic principle of the gravitational separator. The advantage of the gravitational separator is very simple in arrangement, less capital and operating cost. The advantage is the only larger size and a heavy particle can be removed. Bulky and require large speeds. In cyclone separator, in a cyclone separator, air collected here and from the bottom. Here, for heavy weight, air collect from the bottom and then transfer above here filter, so filter is not passed through the S and again transfer the below. Here produce the cyclonic effect and collect the dust here and clean air or gas tube here. The main advantage of the cyclone separator here, high efficient for bigger particle, low maintenance cost, simple, cheap and easy to operate. With the increasing load, efficiency is also increased. The disadvantage of the cyclonic separator is require more power to produce the high vortex, require the more space. With increasing the fine particle and efficiency declines. Electric static precipitator. Here two electrode, first is negatively charged particular attractive, means the negative electrode, means the here positive electrode, here and bottoming is the negative, here negative electrode. Here when the particle or incoming gas with the particle is coming, here some ionized gas produced here, so the S particle or the fly ash particle from here collect the one type of the electron layer is called the corona discharge, and corona discharge is attract with the positive plate also called the collecting plate. From the positive plate particles are collect and transfer to the dust. Here this type of the gas transfer, here fixed electrode system, here discharge electrode and the collecting electrode system, here wrapping device, here fixed electron system transfer, here collecting or fixed brush, here this type of corona discharge, here change the here size, here fixed electrode and moving electrode system, this type arrange in a parallel, transfer to the gas, so one side is the positive and one side is the negative. Here this type of dust particle layer of the electron like a corona discharge, and hammering action particle are removed. Here in shown figure, dust particle also removed by the brush action here. The advantage of the electrical precipitator, here fine dust particle can be removed efficiently, low maintenance cost, easy to operate, dust is collected in a dry form. Disadvantage here, high capital cost, high operating charge, space requirement is high. Here in this type, high voltage is required like 10,000 to 13,000 for the positive negative electron. With increase in a gas velocity, thus collection efficiently reduce. Thank you.